All right. Welcome back into the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien. Great to have you along. And make sure you hit the subscribe button because there's lots of videos coming. Then I don't want you to miss any of them. So this time around, we're going to have something a little kind of near and dear to my heart. I love idea generation. And in the past, all of us have been kind of, when we're stuck, we're stuck. It's really hard to get out of that blank page situation. And so now everything's changed. ChatGPT is just here for us in so many different ways. So if you have an idea that you just can't figure out how to implement it, or you have a product and you're not sure the best way to, the best marketing tactics or strategies to use, ChatGPT can help. And let's share the screen because I'm going to give you another example of this. All right. So let's say I have that six-figure low-ticket secrets product. Remember that from other videos? I'm going to ask ChatGPT to help me launch this thing. Okay. So here's my prompt. Help me brainstorm ideas for a product funnel I'm working on. The product is called Six-Figure Low-Ticket Secrets, fictional product, folks, which shows entrepreneurs how to build a six-figure income selling low-priced products. Now, here's where I refer to temperature settings. And in a previous video, in another video on this channel, if you're not sure what I'm talking about with this, go watch that video on temperature settings for ChatGPT. But in this video, we're just going to use it in this prompt. Using a temperature setting of 1.5, give me 10 outside the box ideas for making a big splash with this product funnel and launch. Temperature setting, the higher it is, the better. You can go from 0.2 to 2.0 without ChatGPT going too wild. But 0.2 is more basic and less creative, more conservative. And the higher you go between 0.2 and 2.0, the more creative it gets. So I really want ChatGPT to be creative here. So that's why I'm doing a higher temperature. So its result is, sure, I'd be glad to help you brainstorm ideas for your product funnel. So it's giving me things like micro webinars, day in the life Instagram stories, an augmented reality scavenger hunt, a chat box challenge, pre-launch podcast tour, virtual summit, infographics roadshow, interactive quiz, a lot of really cool ideas, right? So what I did was say, okay, I like the number one, micro webinars. Okay. So here's what I did. I said, okay, I like number one the best. Put this together for me. That's it. And here's what it did. Just from that very brief prompt, it put together the micro webinars plan. All right. Gives the title. It talks about the duration and frequency and the platform like Zoom, and gives a content breakdown, which, all these little mini webinars I can do. And it tells you all the different ones and what to do, how to do them. And then promotion, how to promote these micro webinars. I may actually do this. This is great. A post webinar follow up. And so really it's giving me all kinds of ideas. Now, the beauty of this is we can have ChatGPT create this whole product funnel for us. I'm not going to do it on this video. Maybe in a future video, we'll do a product funnel prompt. Okay. But for our purposes here, I just want to show you the power of idea generation with ChatGPT. So go nuts, if you're really struggling with coming up with ideas for promoting your product, or even coming up with a product name, or any number of things, ChatGPT is here to help. So check it out, generate some of your own ideas, and really have it think outside the box, increase the temperature, and watch some other videos for other ideas. But ChatGPT is a great idea generation tool here to help you. Thanks again for subscribing to the AI Copy Lab, and hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and share this on social media if you can. Thanks a lot.